Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about the possibility of a crypto correction. And when Bitcoin is doing a correction, altcoins are getting wrecked. I will show you why there are risks now of an altcoin collapse. Again, it could be a short term, it could be a bit longer. All right, we're going to keep you posted. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. By the way, make sure to get yourself Bitunix account, link below. That's the best exchange to short crypto. You can short there in insanely low fees, trading fees. You can trade from the US, Canada. There is a tutorial on how to trade it. Man, get yourself an account there. No VPN, no KYC. Amazing exchange. All right, now let's go. So Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, we believe the leg one. Okay, if you look on the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, this is the big chart. Okay, look at this. Okay, let's look on the weekly. All right, so as you know, the Bitcoin and crypto cycles move like that. Okay, you have the first 2.5 years, 2.5 years from January all the way till the summer of 2025. 2.5 fucking years. This is a Bitcoin domination. Okay, Bitcoin is dominating the market. Obviously, you have pumps, altcoins pumping, and then they collapse. You have new coins coming, they rip, and then they collapse. But generally speaking, Bitcoin is dominating the market completely. Now, in the summer, we had the rotation. We had the beginning of the altcoin bull fueled by Ethereum, a little bit of XRP, but mainly Ethereum. Okay, now that was the beginning of the altcoin bull. All right, now again, remember, we're talking about 4-year cycle here. We're not talking about expanding cycle and all this mambo jumbo, because if you look on the history, Bitcoin topped every November of the 4-year. Okay, November or December. Okay, the last one, it was in November. The 2017, it was in December, and I think in 2013 as well, something in December. All right, so on average, November, December, Bitcoin topping. All right, now, so that means we have a potentially roughly 6 months for this altcoin bull. All right, now we believe, okay, stay with me, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Now we believe leg one of the altcoin bull is in. Okay, so that was leg one, and I actually think we're gonna have some kind of a big ABC. Okay, so now it looks like, again, there is a risk. I'm not calling for it. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. There is a chance Bitcoin dominance is going to bounce for a couple of weeks. Altcoins will collapse. All right, to create the B leg. Okay, so now we had the A here. Now we're looking to make the B leg, maybe into beginning of October, something like that. Maybe even longer, maybe even longer. You never know. You never know. Some kind of a B leg to create a wedge or a bear flag, okay, a bigger one. And then we're going to get the C leg, which we believe will take us to here. Okay, that's what we believe. It will take the dominance smashing down to the 48%. Again, not a financial advice, but we believe C leg will take us around the 50%, 48% before another major. So we're going to have a major, again, that's what we believe. We're going to have the biggest altcoin season, okay, the altcoin run, the altcoin bull, we believe is coming after we're going to get some kind of a bounce now on the Bitcoin dominance, like a big bounce. Because I'll tell you, look, if you look on the RSI, okay, look at the stochastic RSI first here. It's still in the gutter, but let's look on the 3-day crossing up, okay, 3-day bullish, okay, you can see 1D, 2-day bullish. Okay, I will show you the RSI as well, having very strong bullish divergence on the dominance. You can see this is the 2-day chart. Show you the daily. Look at the daily. You had this oversold here territories with the ETH hype, and look at this. You have a higher low, higher low, higher low, and the dominance is making lower, 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 low. And we recently made a marginally lower low, which is saying that the trend is exhausted, and you might get a counter trend. Okay, counter bounce. So that's why we're expecting some kind of a rally on the dominance. And altcoins are extended short term. Market was very, very, very euphoric, and whales taking profit. So this is one thing why we believe altcoins will crash. Okay, altcoins will crash. Okay, make sure to get yourself a Bitunix account so you can shortman. The link below. Amazing exchange. Also, if you want me to make you a tutorial on how to short, drop a comment below and join our VIP if you wanna come and short with us the market. Now, look, this is one chart. I'll show you another very concerning chart, which is the total free. Total free just made a nasty fake out, like a nasty type of a double top fake out. You can see it went up above the 1.17 trillion just for a little bit, like with what is it, 2 million maybe? I don't know, 2 billion, I don't know. Anyway, one went a little bit above it and came smashing back down with today Bitcoin dump, which tells me that this could be a significant top here, and it's actually forming a rising wedge. Now, a lot of clowns on X will tell you, oh, it's a cup and handle. It's a cup and handle. Oh, wait, it's a cup and handle. Yay. Usually when they all call for cup and handle, you get a rising wedge and a collapse. That's what happened all the time, man. They are absolutely insane over there. But anyway, this is a potential rising wedge here on total free. Total free is the index of the entire crypto market, okay, including all of them, and you have a rising wedge with a double top at major resistance. Again, this chart tells you, hey, hold on, hold your horses. You might get a collapse before the real altcoin season. You might get a big shakeout, and again, it might be something that we're not expecting. It can be bigger. It can be even bigger than what you say. Most people will expect maybe a little short, 2 weeks maybe, or 1 week sell-off and then a V-shaped recovery. But maybe you're gonna get a longer one. Anyway, we'll keep you posted. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I'll show you another chart that's concerning. You had the MSTR chart. We told you, made a video on MSTR. MSTR is, Michael Saylor's strategy. It's below its 200-day, it's below its 50-week, and it's below now the 50-week moving average. I will show you that, the red line now. If it will stay below it, close below it, stay below it, dump below the $300, that's concerning for Bitcoin. That's very, very concerning for Bitcoin. Now I'll show you the Bitcoin, something that I'm watching, okay? And, most people are not talking about it, okay? You have a major, again, Bitcoin, as long as it's above the 50-week MA, you're good. You can see this is the 50-week MA. We're following it. This is the best moving average to identify Bitcoin bull and bear. Above it, bull. Below it, bear. Clear as sky, okay? Clear, man. Easy peasy, all right? Now, we're above it. We're still in the bull market. But I'll show you something that happened on the stochastic RSI on the monthly. Something that never happened before. Never. You have a triple bearish divergence on the stochastic now forming. Okay, again, we'll see how it will close the month. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because this is a no BS channel. We tell you the truth in the face. We're not like milking it on powdering it, for making to you. No, man. We tell you, hey, you have triple bearish divergence, okay? Triple on the monthly. Never in the history of Bitcoin you had triple bearish divergence forming here. You can see top, lower high, okay? Bitcoin. The real Bitcoin bull, this indicator tell you it topped, it's extended as F. It topped on March 2024. Then it made a higher high, okay, on November 2024. Something like, December 2024. Then it made another higher high now in the summer of 2025. But the momentum is getting weaker and weaker. This is the first time ever you have triple bearish divergence on the Bitcoin bubble, okay? This is the first time ever you have a triple clear. You can see the top stack clear. Again, it's forming. It's not confirmed. The third one is not confirmed. We're gonna keep you posted on the close of the month. But that's concerning, man. That's concerning. You see, the last cycle, you just had two peaks. You had this peak, and then you had a lower high here. Okay, it was very, very, very subtle. It was very, very mild. You didn't even see the pump, okay? And that was the rally here, from like 30K to 69K. Okay, that was this rally here on this momentum here, which made a lower high and a higher high, okay, on the price action, which was a bearish divergence, double bearish divergence, or sorry, a bearish divergence, classic bearish divergence, lower high, bye bye. Now here you have triple, you had low in the making, okay, triple bearish divergence in the making. I have tons of more charts to show you, but now I think this is enough. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, guys. Really, this is the time, people. This is the end of we are now in the beginning of the end, or the end is near, or the top is in. You don't know. It's hard to tell if the top is in, because you can tell if the top is in only after the fact, only after it broke below the 50-week MA, or after it completely violated some major support like 100K and stay below it, But this is the time you want to manage risk, If you're holding crap, coins, holding them now, you're taking huge amounts of risk, because there is a risk that the altcoin market is going to take a huge punch in the face, and you don't want to be holding. You don't want to be holding altcoins. No. Better hold USDT or USDC, sit in cash and wait for your buy opportunity, your next buying opportunity, or short them. Or hold, if you got to hold something, buy gold, okay? But holding risk on assets, Ponzi's, pump and dumps, when these indicators telling you be careful, that's very, 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 very dumb things to do. And we invite you, if you are one of these people that keep doing these mistakes and keep losing money this cycle, we invite you, come and try, join our VIP, join for 4 months, man, test it out. 4 months with us will really make you a much better trader. You're going to learn how to long, how to take profits, how to use stops, how to trade the exchanges, how to manage risk. You're going to learn how to use charts, everything. We have access for our courses in the VIP. You're going to have market updates every day, trade alerts coming every day, whether it's short or long, come regularly. All right. And also you have chat support with me. And yeah, really, that's the time to join, because we are now in the end of the cycle. If we get another leg up, we're going to smoke it. We're going to nail it, because we already have a list of all the best performers of the last couple of months. But these are the coins that are very likely to continue to perform and outperform. And we're always watching new bangers that coming into this ecosystem, and we add them to our watch list. Because as you can see, the old coins are cooked. They are not doing anything. They're not getting any love. You need to know what you're doing. This is a market for professional traders. All right. Crypto market is not anymore a walk in the park like 2021 and 2017, where every baboon will throw some capital on some Ponzi coins and he will just ride into the sunset with his loved one and his family. Printing. No. This cycle, as you can see, you probably can see if you are an accountable person, that most people are cooked, lost everything already. And this is now, we're now in the apex part of the cycle, right? If you're tired of losing money and being, uneducated, unprofessional, time to man up, join our VIP. We also, if we trigger the bear market, we're going to short it. The only way to profit in a bear market is by shorting. If you're going to hold anything, you're going to lose everything. You're going to lose everything you ever had and more if you will hold crypto in a bear market. All right. So even if we trigger the bear market and you join VIP, don't worry about it. We know how to get ROI in a bear market. Done it in 2022. Guided many people on how to do it in 2022. And also during this bull market, when we had periods of shorts, we had pullbacks, we shorted altcoin. We know how to do it. We can show you the way. Check out our VIP. If you want to join the best tier, if you are a high net worth individual, you want the best service ever, you want the best of the best, you want a monthly phone calls, unlimited support from me and Jomo, join Elite VIP. Scan the QR code in the top left corner. See you in the next video. Cheers.